is done. Everybody's house. There is no one ever sees it. Yet we all agree that the plate with rain was cracked by Mr. Nobody. This idiot who always steers our books, who leave the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins of flour. The king door will always speak for 3D LTC will give to be done by Mr. Nobody. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blind closed. Let
Yeah, oratory contest.
the book that lying down is are not
Siya may.
all to Mr.
Napintas na tayo.
Nobody.
Para dyan. Oh, very good.